Hi, everyone. It's Jeanne Alleva. Happy New Year. It's 2026. I just wanted to say hello and to share some thoughts with you about something I've been thinking about for like the last month. There is a superhero in Marvel Comics called the Silver Surfer. Now, he's a lesser known character, and I don't know everything about him, but when I think of myself in the world, sometimes I envision myself as the Silver Surfer, someone completely metallic, like chrome, if our bodies were completely chrome, reflecting out. So if any negativity comes in from outside, it just reflects off like a mirror. And so, for years and years, I've envisioned that for myself. It's a good visual for deflecting negativity. And today, Redfern in his live was talking about having to experience negativity from outside, judgments from outside, and how you stand strong in that space and continue with your own goals and vision. And it sparked my thoughts about the Silver Surfer again. And the Silver Surfer was a young astronomer from another planet who had a job that he didn't like. And he ended up leaving that job, and I'll leave it to you to research what that means. He left that job in order to come and defend the Earth. So he was from another planet, came to the Earth, and has spent, all of the powers that he uses to defend the universe, to defend Earth. And some of the superpowers that he has are that he can control energy, create force fields, which is perfect, isn't it, for deflecting negativity, creating a force field around yourself. He can manipulate time and space, travel faster than light. He can bend space. So he has these cosmic powers and an ability to transform matter. And it made me think, okay, if we think of ourselves as superheroes, and I am someone who believes that we have a divine spark within us and we have powers that are untapped. And if we envision ourselves as these incredible versions of ourselves, it will transform the way we show up in the world and that we can use these powers for good. So I thought he has super strength, he has durability, he has stamina. And how perfect is that for this journey that we've been on, creating and building something together with Victory with Ash that is going to go out and say, protect the earth, defend the universe. We are going to be transforming our lives and communities through the things that we learn through Victory with Ash and onward. So, how perfect is this? We can envision ourselves as the Silver Surfer going throughout the universe, deflecting the negative. Who cares what other people think? We have a mission and we're going to do it together. And so I just imagine us as a bunch of silver surfers going around the world, just deflecting anything that's not in alignment with our goals and our vision, and living a joyous life using our superpowers for good. And I thought, how perfect was that? So I want to thank Red for re-sparking that concept in my mind and to share it with you today. I hope you're starting off this new year with just a fresh slate. The world is yours. You can create it anew in every moment, deflect the things that come your way that aren't in alignment, and create a beautiful, beautiful life. So thank you so much for listening, and happy new year once more. Have a great day.